Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get a free domain on WIX. So basically, WIX offering a free domain when you open up a new account or sign up a new account on WIX. So you have to go to the browser, then right here, WIX sign up. Then click on the first link, signing up for a free WIX account. Now you have to click on create your website. Now click on get started. You have to give the login information, or you have to click on continue with Google. Click on continue with Google. Now click on continue. Now you can see there is two options. Click on this continue. If you open the website, it will give you a free domain. Okay, now I'm showing you how you can open a website. You can write here online store, continue. Now you can see that Wix is giving you a free domain for ons, but if you want to add a domain, you have to add the store name. Click on continue. Products. Now you can click on online store, click on dashboard. Now you will give a the Wix will give you a free domain. Okay, you can see that you have your website has been created. Now you can add your domain here. I'm showing you again last time. You can see that it is saying make this recommend domain yours or search available. You can see that your domain is like this. You can edit if you want. If you click on let's go, you now your domain is ready. Okay, so this is how you on Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.